Hey there, welcome to Fitness and Health Tidbit Tuesday. This week we continue on laying the foundation to your fitness and health success project, which is building block number 1, accept. Now last week, Coach Quick offered a terrific advice on establishing your why for your project. And this week I'm going to build on that, and we're going to start discussing the importance of exploring what happened. What exactly was it that derailed you from your healthy lifestyle? Now look, history can be a great teacher. And if something negative happened, then we certainly don't want it to happen again, right? But then why is it so often we make the same mistakes over and over again? If you have a history of making poor choices for yourself and have not taken the time to learn from them, I'm going to venture to say that maybe you either have not been able to reach your goal, or if you have, then you have not been able to sustain it. And this is why in building block number 1, accept, we take the time to look back at what actions you've taken or have not taken that have gotten you to where you are at right now. Look, understanding what happened, whether it was in your control or not, is important because we are the sum of all of the events that have happened in our life, good, bad, or indifferent. So don't let what happened dictate who you are. Instead, let it be a lesson so that you will be able to accept the person you are becoming. Well, that is your Fitness and Health Tidbit Tuesday. I am Coach Becky, and this is Build Your Best You, your 5-step building block process to rebuild your healthy lifestyle. Look, you don't want to miss out on any of these tips, so you want to be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell because you don't want to miss an episode, which I will see you in the next one. Take care, and please remember that healthy choices build a better you.